Hello guys, welcome to Crafting with LMB. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my crafting table. Crafting tables could get really expensive. Sorry, I'm kind of hot in here. It is really hot here in California. But I will be showing you guys how I did my crafting table. So if you guys are interested in that, please stay tuned for that video. With that said, please don't forget to hit that bell notification. It will notify you every time I upload, and hit that subscribe button. It will help me out. It was really hard to find any kind of desk. So a lot of people started making their own desk, and that's where I got the idea of why not do a crafting table. And then of course I will be leaving everything in the description bar to let you guys know where I got everything. And yeah,
jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like you. Look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. There's a party downtown. Someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here. Meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown. Someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't. Damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, really hope that you're coming by. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you. Although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, I need you. You are my fire.
Alright guys, so right now we just put the top up. Yep, it's longer, but that's what I wanted. I wanted a longer top just so we could cut it off, and I'm gonna need this part because I want to do something with it. So right now I'm just gonna fix how big I want it from this side and that side, and then we're gonna chop off this and the other side. So I'm just gonna mark it down, see how much. I just want to be able to go through here nice and walk through here okay without being bugged about the island here. But I'm excited for this island. It is a little bit big for here, but I'm going big or go home. Like I just want to do this. I want to do my channel. I want to do crafting. I want to do cool stuff. So yeah, and those are in, but this is not, so I'm supervising. They're fine, don't worry about it. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna draw in the measurements and see how much we're gonna cut off, and then yeah, so I'm excited. Stuff here. But how exciting this is my little crafting table. It's not little, actually it is, I really don't know how big it is. Let's do it with you guys. I want to do it with you guys. See if we do this. It is 6'5". That's how big it is. Well, is that what it is? 4 feet, 5 feet. Yeah, 77 inches. Long waist and short waist is 3/4, so it'll be 40 inches. I love it. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoy how I did my crafting video. I will try to leave everything in the description bar and throughout the whole video. I really hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next crafting video.